What's going on, guys? Welcome
to vlog number
1. Well, but I'm posting like at least every 3.5 weeks now, so that's pretty good. We're going to Ensenada in Mexico for the Baja 1000 race. And
the Baja 1000.
Gonna see some race trucks.
Gonna see BJ Baldwin and the boys. Me and BJ are gonna get hammered.
Yeah, he won't be racing or anything.
No, you go faster.
Yeah.
Ensenada.
Ensenada. Oh, we are in the wrong side, boys. Uh-oh. No Ensenada today, guys.
Bro, freeways in Mexico are different, bro.
Holy
Go, eat it. Wait, hey, right.
Hey.
Right. Ensenada.
Ensenada. Ensenada!
Hey! Bro, crazy out here.
Look at my phone. I got it.
Mitchell.
I got it.
Where to go?
This way.
This way.
Where the fuck are you gonna turn? Go this way.
Just say go straight, dog.
Yeah.
Go straight.
Ensenada!
Straight.
Hey!
Road. Hey!
Woo!
Don't give it to me, I'm
Thank you,
driving.
folks.
Okay, now look up Hong Kong.
No!
What?
I'm not going to strip club.
Why can't we go to Hong Kong?
We're not going to Hong
I
Kong.
want to go to Hong Kong.
We're not going to strip clubs, dude.
Why?
Because
Give me a good reason.
We're in Mexico. I don't want AIDS.
No, dude,
Yeah.
Mexican hookers are better than American hookers. American hookers all do drugs. Any hooker in America is a crack whore. Hookers in Mexico, that is a nice profession. That's the equivalent of being a doctor. Okay? Where do I go, Mitchell?
oh no!
That was me. That's Jason. Oh my god! Alright guys, and on that note, we are all settled into the room and we are about to take on the night festivities and everything that the pre-race has to offer. Alright guys, so we just met this race team right here. They're from Alaska.
All the way down.
All the way from Alaska to Baja, Mexico. He just told us that the race was postponed for a day, and it'll start on Sunday.
And that's not going to work with our schedule, but
Yeah.
you know, we're going to enjoy it while we can.
You know,
We'll see if that's legit.
I got finals and stuff to do, and the Airbnb only goes till Sunday, so we'll see if that's true or what the rumors entail.
Look at those
That's
passes,
smart.
dude. That is really smart. They got lug nuts zip tied to the cage. Or something nuts.
Yeah, they're
either way, they're important.
And then they painted them too, so when you drop them, when you're you pull the pin, and then the sled pops up.
Yep.
That's kind of cool.
That's very neat.
Really smart. They got an extra drive shaft going across.
That's, wow. Just in case you break a drive shaft, you know?
A lot of them do. Right here.
Oh, this is a tie rod.
Oh, extra time? Dude.
Dude, he can adjust from inside the cab the angle that the space is at. Really sweet.
The rear will squat, right? And the lights, depending on what the section in the back will be, if we had them down or a little higher, it'll squat and the lights will be pointing too high up so we can adjust it.
Oh, that's sick.
And
You
then,
just
like,
on
if
the
we're gonna
fly?
yeah, right here. And then just for the front one. And then if we're gonna go up like a big mountain, we'll adjust it higher. That way we can start seeing.
That's awesome. That's really useful. Look how that suspension's mounted. It's like
it's
this.
cantilever.
Yeah,
That's super cool.
that is really cool. How are you guys doing?
Pretty good. How about you?
Pretty good.
Oh, good.
Be safe out there. Yeah.
I love the cantilever setup. How many inches of rear wheel do you pull with it?
36.
I think my 16 is good.
Go ahead.
I'm sad.
Yeah?
Homeboy said that he gets 32, and my truck gets 16. And I think 16 is a lot.
Yeah.
So he won the suspension travel game. I'll give it to him. He can have it. You know what?
Check that out, guys. I love that spare orientation. What?
Where's the Mazda?
Shut up, dude. Dude,
Zip ties.
it's beamed, bro.
It's beams?
Yeah.
Beams.
Dude, isn't that awesome? The camera,
Pieces of
please.
tubing and then plated them.
Yeah.
That's doable.
No, it's very doable.
Oh, dude, that's easy. Dude, I could whip something like that together in like an hour.
They put chains on it.
Wow.
For limit straps.
I don't think that's what it is. I think it's just like added
well, there
security.
are extra
Just
limit
in case
straps.
it
If
falls
it
off.
decides to...
Yeah, that's true, dude. Think about that digging into the ground if it like snapped off.
Yeah, true.
That makes sense actually if you think about it. Wow.
And you
dude.
guys are the ones who know off-road.
Shut up, Mitchell. Look at his battery mount. I don't know why I'm so stoked about that battery mount, but it's kind of clever.
That's a bad spot for the battery.
No, I mean it clears the tire. Like the tire's not even close.
If like a rock
Oh, dude, look at his rear end. Isn't that beautiful? Dude,
Nice ass.
what is that? It's a nice ass.
Very nice ass.
He works Raceline. What is that? Tube Works Raceline. That's what it's.
Junction.
Wow.
Good looking junction.
Wait, hold up. Give me that.
Dude, there's
Oh, that is a very good looking
1,
junction.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Wow.
7, 8, 9 tubes.
See where a lot of those come together?
Dude, that's
Throw fat bead
amazing.
right there. I call that a gooch weld.
Gooch?
Yeah.
What's a gooch, Mitchell?
Dude. So,
Sorry, Mitchell.
God damn it.
That's on you. Hey, give me one in there. Yeah.
Got a Kawasaki 450 in.
The power steering pump. That's kind of a ballsy place to put it.
And because there's so much room.
Yeah.
Look at all this room for
I don't-
activities, and they put it there.
Interesting.
Well, look at where they had to run the
I
fucking
wonder.
linkage.
I wonder why though, dude.
Look at where the linkage goes.
Jesus,
Wow.
that's really
That's some.
interesting.
That's got to be a really weird thing to steer.
I imagine it does okay.
Very interesting.
You got
Yeah. This is kind of like a unique truck though. What class do you think this is?
no working doors.
Small trophy.
Guys, I'm actually in Disneyland right now. There are trophy trucks everywhere. There's bugs everywhere. There's badass built rates, UTVs everywhere. It's just like, this is parked in just kind of this side lot that we found, like next to the main strip, which is over in that direction. So, I already kind of walked around the main strip. You saw how crazy it was back over there.
See how deep the ocean is.
Oh wait. This is perfect.
Dude, you're retarded, alright?
Guys, what are you doing?
I'm showing Kate how to use technology.
This is where.
Use your thumb. What the fuck?
No, we should go to, hold on, go back in on that real quick. We should go to this one because it looks like a very cool launch over the road.
Yeah, it looks like they get some build up. Start from like this.
Stop touching things.
I'm not touching nothing.
Great, your overall experience at the Baja 1000 so far.
Pretty good, except the race is actually delayed.
Oh yeah.
Delayed till tomorrow.
Smell that? That right there? BP Racing Fuel, baby.